What's up, you beautiful people? Today we're bringing you an unboxing video of the Zeus Mini made by GoPro. We have the magnetic swivel clip light, waterproof to 33 feet or 10 meters, rechargeable, 360-degree rotation, GoPro mounts compatible, lifetime limited warranty. Here we have ourselves the same warranty information. And here we have the compatible with all GoPro mounts and in all the different languages. And on the back here we have this powerful magnetic clip light provides versatile waterproof hands-free LED illumination for projects, camping, outdoor adventures, safety, and more. It includes magnetic swivel clip, light mod, light diffuser, 2-finger adapter, USB-C cable, mounting buckle, thumb screw. And then it's all in different languages. And those are that. And let's take a look and let's go ahead and break this box open. Usually they want this one to open just like this. There we go. Should use a sharper knife next time. There we go. This is for the light here. There we go. The first piece for the mount. Got ourselves a nice thumb screw, and let me just pull everything out there. Nothing else in there. Got the light. Got the clip. And let's open this piece here. It looks like I won't be keeping the box, so just destroying it would be okay. Here's a USB-C to USB. Thumb screw. And nothing else in this origami type of box. First one is for important product and safety instructions. And we have our Zeus Mini user guide. Shows us what's exactly included. We have the light mod right here. Got yourself this GoPro mount adapter. Of course, a USB-C cable, magnetic swivel clip, quick release buckle, and the thumb screw. And yeah, just to put this into some contrast, we'll go ahead and just build it real quick up and show us exactly how it's worked. This is your diffuser back here. This piece here would actually fit just like this. And then you can actually put this against this right here and get the thumb screw to work. And then from here you can plug that right in there and then push this back down so it'll give it a nice feel. And make sure it's all the way in there. And this should slide right on in there. This will prevent it from accidentally pushing or engaging right there. Looks good. And then twists and swivels here. And based off this, you can actually keep it like that and clamp it on if you ever needed to in any direction. And the diffuser is quite nice. It seems like it is a snug fit, especially when you have that piece there. And it shows you exactly on the box on how the different angles can work. And this is also magnetic too, which is a nice addition. So you can put it against different things. I'm sure they have some battery. Yep, there we go. And you have the highest setting, blinking. And back on. To turn it off, you just hold it down. Light basics. Choosing the brightness. Level 1, level 2, level 3 strobe. And that's it. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, or leave them below in the comments. And if you like the video, go ahead and leave the video a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.